Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. Because this question involves, this turns out to be a right triangle. So this is a nice, easy question. At first, I thought it was not going to be a right triangle. I think it is a right triangle. Let's just double check. But if it's not a right triangle, you would have to approach this with the law of sines or the law of cosines. But I have a feeling that C is a 90-degree angle. So let's just take a look and verify that. Because if it is, we can just use SOHCAHTOA. So that's just a good thing to remember. If you're dealing with a right triangle, use SOHCAHTOA, Pythagorean theorem, and so on. You don't have to use law of sines, law of cosines, but I think this is a right triangle because if A is 43, B is 47, that's 90 degrees altogether. 43 plus 47 is 90, so we've got a right triangle here. So this is going to be quick and easy. So C is going to be 90 degrees. And we're told that side C, which is the hypotenuse, little c is opposite angle C, little a is opposite angle A, little b is opposite angle B. So we're told this is 13. So we just need to find little b and little c here, little b and little a here. Okay, so let's just do that. So we'll look at angle B, and we'll just use the sine of B. So the sine of 47 is opposite over hypotenuse is 6 over 13. Oops, it's b over 13, excuse me. It's not a 6, it's a b. And then we just go on our calculator to find b. So it's going to be 13. And make sure you're in degree mode. I happen to be in radian mode, so I'm going to switch. So it's going to be 13 sine 47. So it's 9.5. They want this to the nearest degree, so this is just a little over 9.5, so I'm going to call it 10. Nearest tenth, sorry, the nearest tenth on the sides. So the nearest tenth would be on 9.5 here. Okay, to get little a down here, we could use Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus 9.5 squared equals 13 squared. Or we can just continue to use SOHCAHTOA. So I'll just do that. I just think it's easier. And we'll go the cosine of 47 is little a over 13. And so little a is going to be 13 cosine. So 13 cosine 47 is 8.9. So there we are. We have now filled in everything there is to know about this triangle, which turned out to be a right triangle, which saves us a lot of time and trouble. And I'm sure some of your other homework assignments will involve law of sines and cosines, and perhaps you'll submit another one of those, and I'll be able to help you with that. In the meantime, I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.